Hi, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. This is your friend Han here, and it is absolutely great to see you here. And now, as local marketers, we know we have a continuously providing service to upsell our clients, to continuously help them ranking on Google and all that great stuff, in order to keep them, making them happy, so they get a customer continuously, all that great stuff. So today, there's a product made by another local marketer named Lee Ko, and you probably know him. And he has developed a product called Press Release Empire. Now, Press Release has been around for a long time. You know, ever since I was studying SEO back 7-8 years ago, that was one of the tools we used to develop authority, backlink authority. And what I love about Press Release is the ranking ability is super fast, almost as fast as a video. But the problem is writing so many press release is probably not very feasible for you, it really is not. So this product helps you solve that problem. It came with a WordPress plugin that gonna help you writing out your press release very quickly. And that video it's right on this page. So if you scroll it down, you're gonna watch it. In fact, you know what? Let's go watch this right now, and I'll be right back and talk further more about this. And let's go watch this very short video, how this press release writing service work for you, and I'll be right back.
Hi, Lee Cole here. Wanted to give you a quick walkthrough of our brand new software, Press Release Genie. What Press Release Genie does is it helps you write professional grade press releases, especially if you're not a writer. These would be press releases that you would use for clients, and you can also use these for yourself. Now, once you install Press Release Genie, you'll notice that there are two tabs over here, Companies and Company Form. Let's take a look at the Companies tab. The Companies tab is really where it's all happening with Press Release Genie. Number one, you have a complete list of all of your clients, their business information, and also all of the press releases that you have written for them and the date that you wrote them on. Now, one really cool thing about Press Release Genie is this is pre-programmed to help you create viral quality press releases, the kind that's going to just create a lot of buzz, a lot of sales, both for yourself and your client. And one way that we do this is through this button called Topic Ticklers. One of the big challenges in creating a really excellent press release is getting a topic that is really newsworthy, something very interesting. So we use the Topic Tickler. Here, I'll open this up here. We use the Topic Tickler to help you and your client think through exactly what the press release is going to be about. Once you've defined your topic, you're going to actually write the press release. And what we've done is we've divided the press release into what is the best format for an online press release, which is a 5-paragraph press release. Press Release Genie steps you through every single sentence that needs to be in this press release with very clear instructions of what needs to be happening in that sentence. And don't worry, you don't have to be Ernest Hemingway to do this. If you can string together a sentence, if you can write it probably about a 3rd or 4th grade level, you're very good to go. We talk about every single thing, all the parts in order that need to go in the press release. Stating the newsworthy event, third statement about adding in the human element, etc. Walking you through the entire thing, making this so incredibly easy that anyone even with zero experience can, with their first try, churn out a very excellent professional grade press release, something that you can sell to your clients for a lot of money and something that for your own business will help you enormously. Thank you so much for looking at this quick walkthrough video about Press Release Genie. As you can see, it's a highly focused piece of software, a super easy to use and intuitive piece of software, and it's a software that if you decide to get it and use it is going to make you a lot of money. I'm Lee Cole, and I'll talk to you soon.
Hi, welcome back. And as you can see, this is a very making your entire process writing the press release very easily Literally have the title figured out, the body, and all that stuff. So all you have to do is make sure you backlink for your clients, and all that great stuff. And they also, with this plugin, come with a full training. I'm going to show you here very, very quickly. And that's they have lots of video talks about this. And if you never know what press release is all about, he's going to go through in depth and talk about what press release is and how you're going to be really benefit for using press release, and most importantly, how you're going to sell the service to your clients. Okay, and I'm going to talk about what I like about the training and what I don't like about the training. So this thing is going to be launching exactly at 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Make sure you claim cookies and grab from the link below. This is going to be like $27. Okay, $27. So make sure you grab from my link, so you're going to get all kinds of bonuses. We're going to hook you up. Whoops, my website just crashed. I think my internet's having a problem, but we're going to hook you up more bonuses. You can just come to this page, check out the fax action bonuses, and plus the our extra bonus down here as well. So let's jump back and talk about some of the topic he's going to go over inside here. I'm going to talk about who needs this, who can skip this, and all that great stuff. Number one, and it's a video that do overview of the what you're going to learn inside this course. Again, he's going to have another overview of the business model, how you're going to sell this, why you're going to mining people out for linking in, why linking in. In fact, this will go hand in hand with some of you who bought the linking in ads course as POR rights yesterday. So you're already ahead of a lot of people who hasn't bought from here. So you got a overview of linking in. He's going to teach you exactly how to get business linking in to sell the press release. Okay, and it teaches you how to basically set up the LinkedIn profile, make you look professional, trustworthy, and start to message people on LinkedIn. So basically, the whole idea is, hey, you got the service to sell. How you're going to sell this, and the funnel, that the channel that he uses is LinkedIn. So you're going to learn all this inside this training, and all that great stuff. And then he's going to learn about my course email go. So you're gonna learn about email as well. So here's some more advanced trainings, how to get business from Fiverr, Upworks, and once you land a plan, what do you do with them, how you're gonna create an idea for press release, and how to using press release to sell your more press release and other services as well. So he's gonna go through all this and where to submit the press release and price for the press release. Every little thing that you need for this is it's in here. So you got to take your time to learn it. It's probably like a block, good 20 minutes to an hour, depends how fast you can watch the video and comprehensive it, right? So that's very, very important. So that's the sales page. And so what I find really kind of like the weak point of this product is lacking of the proof of that his press release actually ranked. I didn't see any of the ranking proof on here, so keep that in mind. But he does have a one proof, a user proof that out of I know his message system. I used to have someone to write, but this was the best. So this was a comment on the software, how good this is. And even you don't want to rank in the press release, you can provide press release writing services, right? I had that service back in the day, 7 years ago. You're making about $20 to $30 per article, so you can probably using this software. You can list that service on Fiverr and other warrior form and providing such services by just using this plugin, right? So that's one way to make money. Another way is actually ranking the press release for people, getting the leads in. Okay, all right, so this is what this is. And if you are currently offering local marketing service to your clients, this will be a great idea to add into to upsell them to. Now, if you have not started your local business, you can use my software, XLeads 360, finding those leads who needs press release and contacting them and start selling the press release service to them. Or using the first time is free and let them check it out, get in the door, and then they're gonna buy from SEO service from you, video service from you, website service from you. It all leads in. Okay, all right. All you need to do, guys, you're not looking to have 100 customers. Okay, when it comes to local marketing, you're looking to have quality 3 to 5 clients to serve, and you're making 5 figures a month, and that's what typical people making a year. So that should be your goal. Okay. All right. So anyway, I just want to show you about press release in case you don't know about it. If you want to have by the way, if you have the budget for a higher price product that has the entire thing from ranking the press release to writing the press release and have somebody coaching you exactly step by step how to do this, please submit a ticket to my help desk. And I'll be happy to show you another offer. But this is a great offer for people who just want to get into press release and never done press release. And if you know about press release, you don't know how to sell it, this is a perfect product to learn and start selling it. Okay? All right, so until next time, this is your friend Han. I'll be talking to you in the next video. Cheers.